So here we have the Audi Q5 on a 59 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, there's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side with the rev counter, and on the right-hand side the speedometer. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car, which are 93,960. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed at the moment. You can change the information that's displayed in there by using a button on the right-hand stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls on both sides, as well as voice activation for your phone just here. In the center is the main screen. You'll see that we've got satellite navigation. You can also, as I mentioned, you can access and pair your phone from here. We have the radio available, and you can see FM, medium wave and long wave radio. You can also listen to your own music as well, and there are a few ways of doing that. You can see those being shown on the screen now. All of the movement I was making on the screen is all being done using these buttons and the ones surrounding it. So you can access, for example, if I press that button there, and then show you back up on the screen, we are then in the satellite navigation menu. Very, very easy system to use. Working our way down, we have the CD player. Within there, we have 2 SD memory card slots as well. And then beneath that, if I move the gear lever out the way, you can see that we can adjust the climate control for the car. So we can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, we can increase and decrease the direction of the air. This dial will do everything. So if you, whatever button you push, the dial will ultimately select. So for example, heated seat for driver, and then heated seat for passenger. All done with that dial after you pushed the corresponding button. We have some storage underneath here, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The last thing I want to talk about is the panoramic glass roof. There's a button up here. Give that a push and that will open the sun blind up. You can leave it as the sun blind open but the roof closed, and obviously as you can see that lets in a lot of extra light. Or there's a dial up here. If we rotate that, then the front section will open up over the back section to give you a proper sunroof as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.